Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So right now it is 9 o'clock at night and I'm shooting this video, and in today's video this is going to be an unboxing video. So I'm going to unbox my package which I have received yesterday from Nykaa. And no, it's not a sponsored video. These are the purchases that I have made for myself from the Nykaa Payday Sale, and I received the package yesterday. So I am going to quickly unbox it. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay guys, so here is the parcel and I'm going to quickly unbox it. You know what, I love Nykaa's packaging actually, but my mom hates it. She hates the smell. Do let me know if you also feel the same thing in the comment section below. Anyway, so the first thing, let's see what comes here. So I had ordered 4 items actually, and here it is. So let me quickly just unwrap the first thing, what is there. So these are like few things which I have received. And so the first thing here is the Dot&Key lip balm, which is in the shade Cocoa Mint, and this is how it looks. I would definitely share a review on this once I use it. Moving on to the next one, here I have is the Aroma Magic Sunblock Lotion. It's been quite a while that I wanted to purchase this one, and finally I did. I just hope it is as per my expectations. So yes, this is the one. Moving on to the next product I have here with me is, okay, so this is one of my favorite. This is Dot&Key Vitamin C moisturizer. There were so many reviews on this and I wanted to purchase one. The packaging is very cute actually. And the last one here I have with me is the Biotique fruit brightening face wash. We all know how much Biotique products are in demand these days, and I'm definitely excited to use this one. So finally, moving on to the last one. This is something which I got absolutely free from my purchases. This is what I love the most about Nykaa, that they give something or the other free on your purchases. So this one is again from Dot&Key. So yes, okay guys, so this was all for today, and if you guys like this video, then do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. I'm going to tag my Insta ID in the description box. Additionally, I will also tag these products in the description box so that you all can go and check that out. Obviously, I'm going to definitely share a review on all these products after I use them only, because before that I can't share with you guys. So yes, till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.